guys, this is Vaishnavi and welcome to my channel Alpha Meta. I am sitting in the car while my mom is going and getting some sweets for Diwali. Also the fact that I'm looking like this without the mask and my face looks washed out, I don't know what.
So the mask is a savior.
If I keep wearing a mask and shooting a video, nobody's going to come to know that I'm talking to myself. So here it is. That's right, this is Diwali. It's the festival time of the year. Yeah. So this is a Diwali tradition that I've been following on my channel. There has to be a Diwali vlog.
And due to some prior commitments, I couldn't upload a video
The last week. So sorry about that. I promise you there's something very interesting and exciting coming up next week. So this time it's going to be different. Obviously because it's post-pandemic. For Diwali tradition, we are supposed to buy new clothes. I forgot that I had to buy mine. So after we buy sweets, we're going to go and shop for me. So let's see what I'm going to buy. Okay, getting off the wagon. Now we are headed to the shopping place. Luckily, we have a few shops which are close by which have traditional outfits. Considering that I take a lot of time shopping, so let's say. Also, so much greenery. Okay. Okay, so turns out that all the sweets that my mom bought was actually for distribution, for giving to relatives, friends, neighbors, etc. And the ones that we had to buy, we bought now. I mean, for our puja celebration, etc. The boxes that I showed you right now is for us. We bought from Sweet Bengal. So Sweet Bengal, if you're watching this, if you want to sponsor me, I am more than happy to receive it. Hey guys, so we're back home and we were back home 4 hours ago. When we were shopping, we realized there were so many things that we had still not bought. And by the time we reached home, we were kind of late. So we decided to just finish everything off and we are finally done. And now it's time to get dressed, go for the puja and enjoy our sweets. So I'll be back in some time. You can see a little bit of light peeking through the curtains. Yeah, over there, yeah. That's why I like Diwali. Okay, let's go. Hello, I am back and the festivities are almost at the end. The decoration is done, puja is done, sweets have been had and this outfit has been made. Trust me, I literally put together this whole outfit and got ready in 5 minutes. That has to be a world record somewhere. Let me just show you what outfit I put together. So here it is. Jacket lying around for a long time. This is actually part of another dress and this is all jewelry that was saved up for Navratri, which apparently did not happen. Now everything is put together into one beautiful Diwali outfit. Check it out. I am really proud of it. Apparently that did not happen. Doesn't matter. I look fabulous. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. This time this Diwali was kind of more special because it was the one after the lockdown. Trust me, last year was, even though it looks hunky-dory and perfect, it wasn't. This time I just wanted to incorporate a part of the world that's outside the house. I just wanted to add that element this time. Well, what else do we have to do? Somebody made a rangoli in time lapse and she's put it here, so that ought to be appreciated. So I decided to come down and check out few rangolis that are made in each wing in and around the society. Look at how pretty everything is. Festival of Lights. You gotta love it. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because I make new videos every Wednesdays and Fridays. And wishing you all a very happy Diwali and a prosperous new year. I hope you all keep hustling, growing and flourishing throughout our lives. See you next time. Next week has some fun, exciting things coming up. So stay tuned. This is Alpha Media signing off. Peace. Happy Diwali.